This highly concentrated detergent delivers the kind of strong, alkaline cleaning power you would expect from a true commercial-grade car wash product. In use, it feels almost effortless since you simply dilute it with water, foam it onto the vehicle, and rinse away heavy road film, grease, and general grime without scrubbing. The formula is versatile enough for passenger cars, work trucks, trailers, tractors, and even engines and filters, so one container can cover a whole fleet's cleaning needs. Despite its strength, it has been designed to be gentle on modern finishes, including wrapped panels and ceramic-coated paintwork, which is reassuring for enthusiasts. Because the solution is so concentrated, a single gallon stretches far beyond many competing detergents, making it a practical option for frequent washing or commercial use. Overall, this detergent stands out as a powerful, touchless cleaner that saves time while delivering a thorough, professional-level wash at home or in a shop.